Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the PJ Patterson Highway. This highway is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. It's being built in phases. It's not complete, but phase 1A was completed as Kingston to Sandy Bay, and actually straight ahead is where this phase 1A ended. You would exit the highway here where you see that sign. There's a road behind it, and go on to straight ahead. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the road, but that's where the sign is where the highway ended, phase 1A, and then you would exit here and get on to the Bustamante Highway and continue on your journey. But phase 1A was built, and then phase 1B was built, which was from Sandy Bay to Maypen, and that's the stretch we are on now. And then phase 1C is being built, which is Maypen to Mandeville. So they will continue building it out like that until the road eventually reaches Montego Bay. Now, their government announced that they're making plans to build a Spurtree Hill bypass, and eventually that bypass will be used by Highway 2000 as part of the route on its way to Montego Bay. So they're going to build the Spurtree Hill bypass, and that bypass will eventually join up, or the highway will eventually join up with that bypass, and the bypass will become a part of the highway. And the same thing is being done in Montego Bay. They're building a Montego Bay perimeter road, which is a road to be like a circle around Montego Bay to help divert the traffic. So if you don't want to go into Montego Bay, you have a route to go around Montego Bay. And a part of that project is to build a toll road, because this highway, Highway 2000, will eventually lead into that toll road. Into that toll plaza. And so that's why they're building it now, because they're working on the perimeter road, and that's where this highway will end in Montego Bay. So the plans are done, it's just a matter of time. Now, when this concept of building a highway was being discussed and planned, it was to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay in one go. When the original bids went out for a contractor, etc., it was to build a highway in one go, but it turned out it would have been too expensive. And also remember, this was the first time a project of this size was being done in Jamaica. This is not a cheap project. It's built by foreigners. This leg of the highway, a part of this highway was built by a French company, Bogue, and then China Harbour Engineering Company came in and built another section. So at this time, when this highway was being designed or planned, nothing like this had ever been done in Jamaica. No project of this magnitude, road project, had ever been done in Jamaica. This is a 4-lane dual carriageway running through the center of Jamaica, from Kingston to Montego Bay, and from Kingston to Ocho Rios. The Kingston to Ocho Rios leg is actually finished and it's up and running. This was a major project in Jamaica. So the government wanted to do it in one go, but the contractor said it would have been too expensive, and so it was done in phases. And as we indicated earlier, phase 1C is being built, but it will be completed. There is no deadline as to when the Kingston to Montego Bay road will be completed, but with the leg from Maypen to Williamsfield is to be completed in early 2023. I think they said March 2023, and then another leg will be built. But they're going to build the Spurtree Hill bypass, which will be a part of this highway, and they're building the toll plaza in Montego Bay, which is where the highway will end. So we're now coming up to the Maypen toll plaza. This one isn't as expensive as the Vineyards toll plaza. This one is actually 300 Jamaican. The Vineyards toll plaza is 900 Jamaican. But in all, to drive from Kingston to Maypen, we're looking at 1,200 Jamaican for class 2, which is about less than 10 US, probably about 8 US. So it's not bad at all. But remember, as you continue to Montego Bay, that price tag is going to get higher and higher. To drive from Kingston to Ocho Rios is 3,600, which is over 20 US. It's like a little under 25 US. So we're now coming up to where this highway ends. It ends currently at the Maypen roundabout, where it joins the Maypen bypass, and you continue your journey along the Maypen bypass. But it's, as we said, the new section of the highway is going to be open soon, and it's going to be one continuous road. You're not even going to know that the highway once ended at the Maypen roundabout. As we get further to the end of the highway, you're going to see the new highway straight ahead. It's going to be one straight road leading into the new highway. This is a very nice view of the mountains and the hills in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this highway and the project, etc. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day guys.